All right, guys. I didn't put the intro at the beginning of this one. This is a quick video. I just gave my dog some medicine. And so stuff is trickling in. As you can see, stuff's coming in. I've got some stuff I'm shipping out. As you can see, I've packed stuff up. This just got delivered just now. So Steven, if you're watching, Steven, your stuff just got dropped off just now. But that's not what I wanted to talk about. Give me a second to start this microwave back up again. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so guys, a lot of times, let me see if I can turn this around and I'll get in the frame here. So I've heard a lot of people talking about how good these cheap Chinese knives are. And I do know there's good Chinese companies. As a matter of fact, coincidence of coincidence, this is a very good Chinese knife. This is a Gonzo. Now, I had one of these, and I gave it away, and I bought one just because I wanted to carry it. This is a Gonzo. This was sent to me by Dwayne. No, Dwayne didn't send me this. This was Sean. Sean is one of my customers, one of my knife customers. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this back around, and I'm going to show you what happened with this the second time I carried it. So it's going to take me a second to get you back down like this. You can see my belly. And we'll turn around, and then we'll drop back down. I love this gimbal. It makes it so easy. So this is a Gonzo. It is a Firebird design. Now, a couple of these are nice. And the one, I went through the one that I gave away, the giveaway one, pretty well. I was carrying this one. Second day I carried it. And the screw fell out. And it's here on the counter, right here. And when I got to looking at it, that screw was glued in to that backspacer. Now, I had taken the giveaway knife apart a couple times and put it back together. Nico took it apart, put it back together. So I'm really confident about that. But what I'm just saying is, even though that I know these things are nice, the steel on them was pretty good. The ones I've sharpened for people, they're always suspect. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. I would tell you guys the truth. I would not lie to you guys. The only thing on that was in those threads were glued into that G10 backspacer, and you can put that screw in, if I could find a hole, and push it in all the way, and it does not touch anything. It's actually as seated as all the other screws, and when you try to turn that, nothing, and then it just falls right back out. And then we have another buckshot. What is this? Buckshot knives, made in China. 3CR13 steel. Now this one's not as bad. I'm trying to get this one dialed in. This one actually is fairly solid built. I just can't get it centered and cannot get rid of the blade play. By the time I get it to where it's centered and it's got blade play, it does not open. And this is an assisted. So yeah, guys, that's definite difference in quality coming out of Chinese knives from different companies. Now, I had somebody tell me that Riat, in a comment, arguing with me about the fact that I was like, look, the companies that are doing manufacture for people today are not the companies that are doing knockoffs. God, I love this thing. It come out sexy. Like I said, guys, I can do some sick anno for you. You can see there's some, can you see the bronze? There's bronze, a little bit of bronze even in the blue. And then bronze is, but anyway, not to toot my own horn there, but toot toot. Anyway, no, just somebody was saying that Riat had a different name before it was Riat, and they were making knockoffs. Now, I don't 100% believe that. I've talked to Dave Dang. He seems like a good guy. He's a knife designer, knife maker, knife enthusiast. I can't see that necessarily being the case, but you know, if it's true, it's true. But I'm gonna tell you right now, they have definitely, if they were a company that was doing knockoffs before, they've definitely stepped their game up, and I've never seen a knockoff with this kind of quality. Now, I do have a couple copies. Let's do this. I don't want to do any editing, so we're going to do this spin around thing again. Up and up we go. Are we in? Am I in frame? I should be, because I can see the lens. Okay, I do have, here, let me do this. I do have some knives coming from a guy, and I spoke to him on the phone yesterday, and they are copies. So not only one of them, he said he didn't realize it was coming with a maker's mark or something on it. He said he knew that they were copies, but the thing is, I'm going to do that video because I'm going to show you the dangers of not paying attention when you order things. You could get got. He didn't get got. He knew full and well that they were not actual this company's knives. So we're going to look at those after I sharpen them. But that's not. People buy knives that are close, and I get it. I don't like it. I get it. I understand it sometimes. I don't have any fake, counterfeit, copy knives, anything that's even that, But the thing is, knives are so similar these days. The knife designs are so similar that the fact is, it's really hard to have a knife that doesn't share some of the same not hallmarks, but same design keys and things like that, because you have to, because there's just only so much you can do as far as designing a blade shape or things like that. And if you try to go too far outside of the box, then you got something that no one really wants, no one can really use. It becomes artistic and things like that. So I do get, knife companies that aren't necessarily even setting out to copy something could accidentally come up with something that's so similar that people could say it. But that's it for this today, guys. I just wanted to do that. Yes, I do know. So I will get off of here. I will let you guys go. Just a short video I wanted to throw up. I'm heading up to Elliot's shop here shortly to work on some knives and things. The neck knives are in. They are sharp. I'm just going through and to make sure that there's nothing that needs to be changed or anything. And then I'm going to start reaching out to you guys that have knives that are here. I'm sorry it took so long. That was a big bunch of them that I sent to Matt there in Florida. He's still got 3 of them, and I'm sending him another one today. So, there was he had 10 or 11 of them all at once. So my apologies if it's not as fast as I had hoped, and I am behind on the Hornets. It's the 14th, and I have not even started this month's Hornet because I've been dealing with getting handles and getting knives and things. And so I am going to reach out to number 2 on the list. Actually number 3 on the list, and get with them because I do have handle material. If I have to order something for them, I can at least get the knife started and ground and all that. But it's already heat treated. So, all right, guys, that's it. You guys take it easy. I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you next time.